Getting some footage here. TJ! You come towards the light. Yeah! Can you say hi to the camera? There goes Shishi. She's doing pretty good on her feet lately. Shishi, come over here. I want you to walk over here. I think she's got paper in her mouth.
No, she doesn't.
Probably.
She has a mint.
A mint, you said? You gave her a mint?
She found them herself.
Oh, look at you. You're standing there walking without holding on? Yeah. And you too. Well, you've been doing it for a while, son. Sorry. It's not very new. You gotta think of something new.